Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make the homemade chocolate-covered strawberry ice cream bar. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. You may refer to my other video of homemade fluffy cheesecake on how to prepare the strawberry sauce. The link of the video can be found in the recipe here. Measure the 33% whipping cream first. Add milk, egg yolks, sugar, salt. Cook the mixture over a pot of steamy hot water bath until 80 degrees Celsius. Don't forget to continue whisking the mixture while cooking. I'm using this machine here, which I can preset the temperature to 80 degrees Celsius while continuing to mix and cook. Here is the strawberry sauce which I have already prepared. Pour strawberry sauce into the mixture when it reaches 80 degrees Celsius. Blend together. Pour out the ice cream mixture. Place it in an ice water bath to speed up the cooling. Silicone popsicle mold is available in Amazon. Pour the ice cream mixture in. Place it into the freezer to freeze for a minimum of 6 hours or more. Line a shallow tray with wax paper. Loosen the ice cream bar from the mold and release them from the mold. Place them on the wax paper. Freeze them for at least 10 minutes. Place chocolate wafers and shortening in a tall mug. Melt the chocolate over steamy water bath. Stir well until the mixture becomes smooth. Remove the pot from heat, but keep the mug inside the steamy hot water. Dip the entire ice cream bar in and place it on the wax paper. Stir the chocolate mixture and dip the second ice cream bar. Place it on wax paper. Repeat for the rest of ice cream bars and freeze them to harden the chocolate. The chocolate shell is crunchy, while the ice cream is creamy and full of natural strawberry flavor. This yummy chocolate-covered strawberry ice cream bar is a perfect frozen treat for your family during the summer season. Enjoy!